What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So XRP is not looking great in the price, right? It's fallen by a decent amount. Obviously, it's not just XRP. There are so many other things that are falling as well. But instead of taking this time to really dive into the negativity of things, because really it's just about where we are in the market and also what's going on in the government as to why things are really falling, I'll dive into where the price is, but I want to kind of dive into something that may be a little bit more positive and a conversation starter, right? And maybe a conversation ender to some people where they're like, doesn't even matter at all. But if you could, make sure to hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links that are down below for Twitter, for Patreon. Those are in the description. Also, if you want to check out my link for BTCC, this is a platform that you are able to do leverage trading on. You're able to leverage trade up to a 500x leverage. I believe on XRP, you can also leverage trade up to 500x leverage. You can correct me if I'm wrong. But you can get 10% deposit bonus by using my link when you use that specific link in the description. Also, extra bonuses up to $10,055 per user, right? It's up to. It doesn't mean that you're going to get it, but you have the opportunity to do so. And also 40% lower trading fees. So many different things that you're getting with this platform. Feel free to check it out. Link is at the top of the description. Now, XRP is at an interesting spot right now, and where it's at is all because of the the downturn that we're seeing in the overall market. Right, XRP is at $2.16, not the best level that we've ever seen, but it could open your eyes maybe to some leverage trading opportunities depending on how far the market's actually going to fall down. Right, we have some bearish news that's going on in the beginning of April, so lead up to that may create some extra bearish activity, which is fine for any of our long-term dreams. For our short-term dreams, might not be the best case, might not be the best scenario to go through with. But volume is at $4.15 billion in the last 24 hours, up by 33%. We are seeing that the max supply has been updated, obviously with the circulating supply being about 58.2 billion. So still sitting around the same circulating supply. Or sorry, why was I thinking that it was updated? I was thinking Chronos. I apologize. No, this is normal, right? 99.98 billion. I was thinking Chronos with the 25 billion. My head just goes all over the place. Sorry. Still at 100 billion total, circulating 58 billion. We're not seeing that release in a ridiculous amount at all. But we are seeing, I guess, 1 billion. It should be 1 billion per month, but it doesn't seem like that's the case. Either way, still sitting at 58% of the supply that's out there, still at $2.16, or 7% down on the day. That's it for the negativity. Now, let's dive into what this video is about, which is more towards XRP and this $21,000 price that happened on live TV, right? I like seeing this stuff. Yes, I'm going to just start with the fact that I don't think that these glitches mean anything. A lot of people will say, oh, it had a glitch to this price. They said a lot with AMC, where AMC had a $500 glitch price, and it's just based on the software, right? You'll have glitches in various software, but then some might not have a glitch at all. So it really all depends, or it might be just a mistake that was written on the screen because it's not actually updating with the market. However, I don't know, right? I wasn't a part of that, but XRP has been subject to multiple glitches over the past few years, but this trend seems to have paused in Q4 of 2024 and Q1 of 2025. Interestingly, a recent reoccurrence has taken XRP community by storm, especially considering the rate of change and the potential audience reach. This week, amid the market recovery that began on Sunday, cable news channel Real America's Voice presented an outlook on the cryptocurrency market during the American Sunrise Early Edition hosted by Jake Novak. XRP's price soared to $21,000. However, the market data in the presentation showed some interesting variations from the real values. Notable among these variations was the fact that XRP soared to a price of $21,355 in an apparent glitch. This figure represented a 963,000% increase from the altcoin's actual value of $2.22 at the time. And you're going to see that there, right? $21,355.25. It's up by $168 there. That would be amazing to be able to see that at that level, but whatever. The XRP price glitch persisted throughout the episode's market outlook, with a price of the asset fluctuating between $2.22 and $21,355 on the window. Several XRP community members have called attention to this incident, which represents one of multiple XRP price glitches or glitch instances over the years. Interestingly, the latest glitch appears to have been a general issue, not unique to XRP. Data shows that Bitcoin also observed a drastic price variation, with its value dropping to $43,636 during the market outlook. This was a massive 49% drop from its real world price of $86,246 at the time of the presentation. Notably, Novak confirmed that the graph had gone a little funky, highlighting a technical issue with the market outlook presentation. However, the political analyst only spotlighted Bitcoin's price anomaly, ignoring the XRP price glitch and the aberration. Am I saying that right? Probably not. With the other asset prices. So, anyways, you saw price increases for XRP. You saw a price glitch. These price glitches don't mean anything, right? Yes, it does increase and makes people excited for a brief second, but a lot of people are saying, is this the reality? Is this where this is going? Because it may be a sign, right? You know how you have people that will say, oh, this happened for a reason here, and they're just predicting the future. It's like The Simpsons. With everything that they do, they predict the future. Right? And it seems like everything comes true, whether it's Donald Trump becoming president or I guess there's other things that I can't think of off the top of my head. But a lot of people will look at it that way. It doesn't really mean anything. Are we going to see 21,000 XRP? If we do, great. I don't expect to. Would love to, but I don't expect to. I'm not saying that all of my whole entire position is based on this happening, right? So I just wanted to bring that your way because it is something that's a little bit fun compared to what we're actually seeing, with the price being down by 7% at the time of recording this video. So just brings a little fun, a little light to the cryptocurrency market, especially during a down time. So eventually we'll see some major movement, positive movement in XRP. Don't know if it'll be $21,000 movement in XRP, but that would be amazing if it did. Guys, let me know what you think about this. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below for BTCC, for Twitter, for Patreon. I'm going to get out of here. I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.